Hey y'all, we are back with another vlog. We are going to Jamaica, right? So this trip is going to be jam-packed with a lot of stuff. We're going to go to the off the beaten path where tourists don't really go, and then we're going to give you a little bit of the tourist side. We're going to go to my countryside where I'm from, where Mike is from. Then we're also going to go to the hotel for a little bit. We're bringing our parents along, and we have this our little travel buddy here.
Hi.
And most importantly, we are going to trade, so you're gonna be able to see that too. So come along with us.
Trading, traveling.
La 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 la.
All right, y'all. We just landed. Well, we landed about an hour and a half ago. Took like an hour drive. We're now home, and we come home to dinner. It's like 16 p.m. here, and it's like 10 p.m. back home. But that's Aki over there?
I think somebody needs some Aki for us.
That's Aki.
Look.
Nice. This is the start. This is what we came here to do.
So we can just eat and go to sleep.
See you in the morning for breakfast. All right, great morning, everyone. Here is a day one of our full day in Jamaica. You can see the background is different, y'all. And look who my chauffeur is, y'all. It is like before 7 a.m. here, and we are actually heading out to go get breakfast, because if you don't get up and go to the breakfast spot before 8, you're not getting anything. Like, everything gonna be gone. Jamaicans are notorious early risers. So in Jamaica, we drive on the left, and the driver's side is on the left here. So anywho, headed to it. I'm gonna show you some shots of us at Juicy Beef and what we get for breakfast. And yeah, we're gonna get our day started. First day in the country side. Oh, this is what we come here for. This and then the food. So this, getting the slow down, and then the food. So I'm gonna show you everything. And yeah. Still a believer. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? What's up? That's my little cousin. Look at him. Look at him. Little but big. Right, we made it. We good. There ain't no line, because usually it'd be a line out the door. So we about to order our breakfast. Your cousin? Yes, it's my little cousin. That's cool. So we're here. This is good. So we made it. Good timing. So I'm gonna show y'all what we get. We have fried dumpling, breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, and callaloo and saltfish. So we about to get in to this and enjoy breakfast with the fam. Hey y'all, we are in Maypen. We're in the town, and we about to go into the wholesale to go grocery shopping. So we're gonna bring you with us. It's very hot, just let you know. It's very, very hot. Y'all, we at the wholesale grocery store, and this brings back so many childhood memories. These are called Chubby, and I think it's super cute because the bottle is like a little Chubby bottle. But these used to be like, oh.
Chubby!
You want
so
Chubby,
I get to
Nola?
introduce it to him.
Look at the Chubby.
Y'all, I'm gonna introduce y'all to something. This is called bag juice. Okay, you gotta say it like that. Bag juice, alright? So they're little bags, so like, think of it as like a popsicle, but in a bag form, frozen, and then you smush it, it becomes a slushy. You bite the edge of it, and on a hot day, oh my gosh. So we got a whole bag of bag juice for us, and Nolan's gonna try bag juice for the first time, and he's gonna experience the joy that bag juice gives. So, y'all, bag juice, that's it. All right, so we're back at home, y'all, after shopping in Maypen.
Absolutely nuts. Jamaica town. I ain't going back there.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
And they're on Jamaican time. Like the people working there on Jamaican time.
You just have to laugh.
You gotta laugh.
So we'll show y'all the next adventure on our countryside Jamaica visit.
All right.
I am here at my parents' house, their retirement house that they're building. I'm gonna show you around inside. Got my favorite guinea. So this is what you do. You just walk around with a fruit and you tour. Down here is my paternal family land. So this is where my dad grew up, and this is all family land all the way down.
in Jamaican culture, it is okay and customary for you to bury your family members on the land. So my grandma and some my grandaunt, some granduncles, some cousins are buried down here. And yeah, I remember this road as a child, so it's crazy to come back with my own child and show him everything. So I'm gonna show you inside my parents' house, and I'm gonna show you down by where my grandma and grandaunt and stuff were buried at. But yeah, so this is the gravesite for our family members on my dad's side. So granduncle, my grandma, my dad's mom, my grandaunts, cousins. All right, so we are at my parents' house, and I wanted to point out something that our parents, Mike's parents and my parents, are literally built their retirement homes like a block away from each other. So literally we can walk, which we have walked from door to door, less than 5-minute walk, if that. So it's really convenient for us having 2 homes to vacation at when we come home to Jamaica. So it's really, really cool. And like I said, convenient. So they're still working on the inside. So I'm gonna show you what they're working on, okay? So please excuse the mess. We're still in the construction phase, but this is like the final phase, all right? So as you can see, my parents got in their cabinet. I helped pick the cabinet color, you know, and the holes. So she got her cabinets in, her island is looking good. What we're waiting on is the appliances that came from the US. Dining room here, living room here. This front door, no, I really truly picked the design for the front door angle. I'm not lying. I did pick out the design for the front door. These were custom built here in Jamaica by a craftsman, which is.
I won't look at touch it.
Yeah.
Bam. So y'all, we still in Jamaica though, so you gotta cage yourself in a little bit now. It ain't, yeah.
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 It's just for precaution, nothing crazy. Oh, they're working in here. She'd probably be doing the bathroom. Hello.
Hello.
She took the bathroom.
To the bathroom.
Yeah, she took the bathroom. Hello. How are you doing? Sorry.
There you
Oh, she'll be doing the towels.
go. Again on the sound.
This is the.
So this is telling me, hey y'all, I'll speak on this one. So how much time your mom did that? She get it from, so that's what I'm dealing with
How
now.
many times we did the towels? This is the second time? This is the third time.
Third time, so third
I'm trying
time
to give you
switching
a
up.
blind mommy.
So say it.
But it looks so good.
So her third time switching up the
The
bathroom.
tile, well, it wasn't done right the first time.
Yeah.
And then the second time when they put the tiles up, they were broken.
So this is
So-
what I got to deal with, y'all. It's just right off the
Hey, do it right.
apple don't fall too far from the tree, whatever they say.
Two rooms down here, bathroom here. This is my room.
This is your room?
Yeah,
This is your room?
I picked this out.
Feel that up.
Cousin, so.
Ray Golden, what's up?
Oh, it feels so cool up here. This the princess's home. Tell me a princess in her castle, no?
Yeah. Every time we come here, it's like, dang, it's a hell of a view. And the bathroom is the same view.
Look over here. Look at the mountain. Look at that. Tell me that's not gorgeous. So pretty. Look at this over here. Good morning. We're at day 2, our full second day here in Jamaica, and we are about to take a walk in the neighborhood. Look what I got for breakfast. Well, after my original breakfast. So good. Liver. And I had, what'd you have, Mike?
Eggos, bro. You made me Eggos. She made me Eggos, y'all.
Yeah, I had Eggos, but you know.
Today we're going to, what's the Tumin?
So we're doing the Tumin. We're gonna bring you there to see it. It's a celebration, really and truly, to remember family members that have passed. And it's a whole thing, like it's a whole cookout, music, drinks, celebration, something that's dear to our culture. We call it the Tumin. All it is putting on a headstone, really, for his grandpa that died at, I was like 2020.
21.
2021. It's gonna be a celebration, so you get to see where his family's from, And yeah, we're gonna bring you with us.
Just a quick thing. I was going to say my why. You know how everybody always says your why? Well, this is part of my why. My grandfather died in 21. It was only like grandparent I remember and known because everyone else passed before. I wasn't able to go to his funeral. It was here. It's 2021 and I just got a new job and COVID was and I wasn't able to go. So that's literally one of my biggest whys of what I do now and why, as you know, we trade and I back test and I go so hard because of a job that forced me to miss my grandfather's funeral, which...
And that was your only living grandparent?
That was my only living grandparent. So when they ask why, that's one of my whys. So this whole day means a lot. And to come back and be able to pay for this stuff.
To help,
To help pay for this stuff, to get it going, like. But yeah, so that's what it is. Just to be able to come back and pay for this, to say, hey, okay, I'm gonna pay for the tile and everything for the grave was just, I don't know, that's my why. I don't care about the fancy cars and all that stuff like that, cause whatever.
Yeah.
Anybody can buy a car, anybody can do this, but like these are the things that mean something to me. So there you go. So we're about to go check on the event in a little bit.
Yeah.
They're cooking, they're starting to cook, so we'll see and see where my people grew up and when I was young used to visit.
Yeah.
All right.
I wish I could send this through the YouTube universe for y'all, cause yo, so good. So we are at the Hay household or the Hay compound, or just where my husband grew up or came. And this is where we are going to have the Tumin at. I want to show you, this is where Mike's grandpa lived, and he built this house, actually. Built this house, which is super, super cool. Remember taking naps in his room when we were younger, when we were dating? Yeah, it used to be like a big old veranda.
We used to chill right here. He used to watch people drive by. If you can see the streets. We'll probably add some pictures, me and Tanisha, with him.
Up there.
But yeah, this is where.
And we took a picture under this mango tree when we were just dating.
Oh yeah, we see if we can find that picture.
That's super cool.
So this picture when we was dating, before we were married, like.
Yep, before, like.
Maybe 10, 15 years ago, who knows?
Yeah.
No, it got to be more than 10 years because our anniversary is whatever, so.
Yeah. Yep. So, y'all, it's good. We're going to go towards where the grave is and everything is further in the back and show you the food being cooked, the drinks, the family. My family's coming. It's a celebration. We better go further in the back.
Scorching,
this feels different hot.
This is scorching out here.
Different hot. All right, we're going to show you all everything that's going on back here soon, all right? This is Mike's stomping ground right here.
It is.
To be back here playing with his friends when he was little, feeling like he a big man. So this is all family land here. Straight back, generations, like back and back.
Oh, we found Nolan. He make himself right at home.
Hi, Bubba. You're not having an event unless you have managed water available.
Yo.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Okay, I want to take it right now. 1, 2, 3. 2.
All right, good morning, y'all. Yesterday was an awesome day at the family house at the event. Got to see a lot of people, and got to hang out with our family at the Tumin for putting on the headstone for Gramps. And so today we are going to be working. We're going to be working. We're about to go get some porridge for breakfast, and then we're going to head back, get to work, train, and then we are going to head out for part 2 of this trip. So you'll be seeing us on part 2 of the trip, where we're heading to the hotel side or the coast. So yes, it's been a pleasure. We're going to close out this part 1, and we'll see you on part 2 of our trip to Jamaica.